So you know your stuff, your videos are good, but the problem is if your title doesn't get people to click, none of that matters. In this video, I'm going to share with you the brand new 3-stage Gemini prompting system we use in the YouTube Mastermind community that finds what your audience is genuinely struggling with and helps you write YouTube titles that feel like they were written just for them. I can guarantee that if you start using these Gemini prompts for your titles and the secret power tips we're going to give you near the end of this video, you will get more views and you will grow your YouTube channel. Let's jump onto my laptop and let me show you how to use our brand new 3-stage Gemini title system for your videos. So inside Google Gemini, we're going to start with stage 1, then we're going to head into stage 2, and then I'll show you how to implement stage 3. If you haven't used Google Gemini yet, all you need to do is go to gemini.google.com. And we've also created a YouTube Mastermind 3-stage Gemini YouTube title prompt for you guys to download. If you want to get access to this, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. You can jump into our YouTube community and then just send me a message on school asking for the 3-stage Gemini YouTube title prompt guide, and I'll send it over to you. Before we dive into stage 1, what I want you to understand is we're not going to do a normal prompting Gemini guide here. We're actually going to get Gemini to analyze our prompt, re-engineer it, and make it even better so that we have a good input, which will give us an even better output. Now, I have to credit Des for this amazing strategy. He shared it with me in our podcast, and it's the theory of getting your LLM to write a better prompt for you to use to get a better output for your LLM. So thanks for this awesome tip, Des. So with stage 1, we're going to start with a very simple starting guide. This is going to give us a good foundation to be able to start re-engineering your prompt from. So we're going to start with, help me write a prompt for Gemini to write a YouTube title. Very simple, uncomplicated, and what I want you to do is we're going to start with using the fast section of Gemini just to speed up the process. Once you put that into Gemini and it's generated an output for you, let's go through it quickly together. Here's the master YouTube title prompt they've given us, and we're going to use this to re-engineer our stage 2 prompt. So first, it's given us, I need help creating a high click-through rate CTR YouTube title for a video about insert topic here. Now, this is the most important part. The more specific you can be with your topic and your target audience, the better output you're going to get. So if you don't know who your niche is, who your target audience is, or what topic you're going to make on your video, that's what our YouTube community is for. So you can jump in there and we can help you find a focus for your niche and help you come up with your topic ideas every single week in our live calls. So make sure you dial these in so we get a better re-engineered prompt in stage 2 and stage 3. So let's head back to our download here, and we're going to head down to stage 2. Now, there are some pro tips that Gemini has given us here that I want you to take note of. So ask for a thumbnail text pairing. So once you've got your title, for each title, suggest 3 to 4 words of text to put on the thumbnail that complements the title rather than repeating it. And you guys thought you were just here to get prompts for your YouTube videos. And the second power tip is the power word request. And this is all to add on after you have gotten your titles from our re-engineering of Gemini. So we're going to add in, include power words like ultimate, secret, essential, or warning where appropriate. Now you can customize these to specific power words for your niche that you've seen other creators using and has been working well before. Or you can grab some power words from past videos of yours that you've published that has worked really well for you. And then the character count, and this is really nice to make sure Gemini doesn't cut off your titles. We're not very good at making shorter titles, but this is something nice to add in to get some variations of shorter titles that you can test in your A/B testing. So keep the most important words at the beginning of my title as often as you can, because YouTube cuts off titles on mobile devices. after about 50 to 60 characters. So this is front loading the most important part of your titles, which we really like to do. So we're heading into stage 2. I want you to grab this prompt and we're going to pop it in. We've adjusted it a little bit for a specific example to share with you. So you are a YouTube title specialist and you're the best in your field. The best, Gemini. I need your help to draft the prompt to write the best possible title to get the most clicks from my ideal audience. My ideal audience is busy business owners in the online educational coaching industry. The video is on a topic, how to make your first $10,000 with your YouTube business. Please draft the best YouTube title prompt for me to use. So you can see we're re-engineering, we're reworking this with Gemini. So we've popped this into stage 2, and this is the output that we've got. The ultimate YouTube title specialist prompt. Here we are defining a role now. We have our target audience, we have a core topic, and we have levers that we can pull to use psychology in our title. There are some constraint instructions, and you can see, and there's an output format. So you can see how much better the prompt is that we've gotten just by re-engineering and reworking into a phase 2. And the more you do this, the better your prompts you will get, and the better ideas you will get that you can add into your title prompts, because this is an ever-moving, ever-evolving thing that you can keep changing for your YouTube channel. So let's dive into the role. You're a world-class YouTube strategist and copywriter specializing in high-ticket B2B growth and online coaching industry. Your goal is to generate 15 click-worthy, low-friction, high-authority titles. I love this. For video about reaching the $10,000 milestone on YouTube. Really, really good specific role. See how the specificity is starting to come out, and that's what's really going to turn the dial on our YouTube title. So target audience is busy business owners in the online educational coaching space. What do they value? See how much detail we're going into here. ROI, they value their time and they value scalability. They are not aspiring YouTubers, definitely not. They are busy owners using YouTube as a funnel. Cool, core topic. Okay, so that's taken it from what we have given them. The levers we want to pull on, so anti-vanity hook, the efficiency hook, and the gap hook. I really like the gap hook, and the precision hook. The constraints: avoid clickbait that feels cheap or get rich quick. It must feel like professional advice. So these are going to be a little bit more customized for the topic that you have entered here in your version 2. Keep titles under 60 characters where possible. I like that. Categorize the titles in 3 styles. So we've got 3 different styles. We've got contrarian, we've got outcome based, and we've got system focused. Really nice to get those 3, so you're getting different kinds of titles in your output. And then ensure the titles imply that the YouTube is the tool for the coaching business, not just a hobby, also specific to your situation. Give us a list of 15 titles categorized by style, followed by a brief explanation of why the top 3 titles you have chosen will work for the specific demographic. Really, really nice. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy everything that is in between these lines. And then I want you to take it into stage 3, but I also want you to amend it as specifically as you can to your situations. The more you can do this, the more you can nail down your target audience, the more you can nail down the exact topic, the better the output is going to be. So we've taken ours and we've amended it and added a little bit extra. Every extra little piece that you add in there is going to make your outcome a little bit different. And that's really what I want you to understand. Everything that we're doing here is going to give generic outputs. The more you add your personality, your personal stories, your personal experiences into this whole process, the more valuable your YouTube channel is going to be for humans, because I really want you to focus on being more human. At the end of the day, we're not making our YouTube videos for the YouTube algorithm. We're making them for the humans out there that we can help with our videos. And that human connection is going to build the trust. That's going to grow the loyalty of your YouTube channel, actually build the relationships with real people. So keep coming back to your individual experiences, your individual stories. What can you tell that is uniquely you? What can you bring into your titles for your YouTube videos to make them different to everyone else and help you stand out? A little bit of gold there for you. I told you if you stick around to the end of this, you get some gold. And maybe let's give you one more power tip before we dive into stage 3. Let's go back up here, and I want you to understand how context is king, especially for the input that you put into your prompt to get even better output. So if you tell Gemini who your target audience is, and we've touched on this a little bit, but I want to go again because I want to re-emphasize and double click on this for you guys that stick around to the end of these videos, that are engaged, that don't have the short attention span. You actually here to get value and to grow your YouTube channel. I like you guys, so I'm going to give you a little bit more source, and it's understanding that I can tell you to be more specific with your target audience. But if you don't actually pause the video and take time to think about your target audience, think about that human, who you're talking to, who you're helping. If you have a community already, who's in there? Who's asking you the question? Who's working the hardest to solve these problems? Who can you help the most? Who can you give the most value to? That is your target audience. And this will make sure that your titles will always be better than if you just ask for titles about your topic. The more specific we can get in there, the better. So let's go and do that. Stage 3. So we've added a little bit extra, made it a bit longer, and here is our stage 3 output. After executing the special new 3-stage Gemini prompt generator, we have our 15 titles divided into our 3 different styles. 3x3. Did you see what we did there? If you like the 3x3 rule, then give us a like on this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and we appreciate you. Style 1, contrarian, challenging the norm. So I really like this in that I think it is so important for you guys to be polarizing in what you talk about in your YouTube videos. Have an opinion and share it with your audience. I do that with you guys. I don't like people that don't work hard. I don't like people that don't take action. I get very frustrated with them because we have so many opportunities in front of us. And if we just take action, you will see results. Consistent action. And we will grow your YouTube channel. You guys know who you are. Okay, so let's dive into some of the examples. Stop chasing views, the 10K month small channel strategy. Wow, viral videos are killing your coaching business. Very nice. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of them because you can read them. Style 2, you're outcome based. So I really like number 7. How to turn 1,000 views into $10,000 in revenue. That's a goodie. That's a goodie. I like that. Style 3, the 4-hour YouTube workflow for 10,000 month returns. Cool. So it's a little play on the 4-hour work week. I like that. That could pop quite nicely. A simple 3-step system to hit 10,000 a month on YouTube. See that number 3? Number 3 works. Number 3 works pretty well. Okay, so what are the top 3 that it has selected? How to turn 1,000 views into $10,000 in coaching revenue. I like it. I like it. Why does it work? It's a precision hook. Business owners understand ROI, so it's coming back to the ROI details we gave it earlier. By promising a high dollar to view ratio, you immediately differentiate your advice from lifestyle vloggers. It signals that this is about lead quality, not mass market quantity. Can you see how our specific avatar would really like those things? It would resonate. It talks to them. That's going to create the really good connections. And they picked out the 4-hour YouTube workflow. I like it. Stop chasing views, the 10K month small channel strategy. I like small channel strategy. There's lots of small channel in titles that is working really well within our niche. It's the anti-vanity hook. Very nice. And you guys know that we always have a little bit of extra sauce at the end of every single video. So now I'm going to share with you guys how we came up with the title for this video that you're currently watching. Do you remember what the title was when you clicked on this video? Don't look down below. Don't look down. Don't check. I want you to, if you remember what it was, comment and let me know that you remembered. But let me show you how we did it, because we've used this new 3-step system to write the title for this YouTube video. Stage 1, very simple. We got a very similar bland output. Then we took it to stage 2. We expanded on it. We added to it. And we got a pretty good output. Here's our how to prompt Gemini to write YouTube titles that get more views. That's what we started with. And that is not the title that we ended up with. That was a pretty bang average title. Old, boring, stale. Let's see what we got up to after we had used the 3-stage process to re-engineer and make better and improve. Let's get better every single time. And I want you to get better so you can grow your YouTube channel. Let's see what we got, because it turned out to be quite a big prompt that we had to update and make really targeted to our audience. Qualified attention. Cool. So yeah, 10 viral potential titles designed to stop the scroll of a high-level coach. The shortcut style, the 30-second Gemini prompt for viral YouTube titles works every time. Stop brainstorming, my automated Gemini system for 10 out of 10 YouTube titles. Now this is an interesting one, because 10 out of 10 feels like the best, but we all know as YouTubers you want a 1 out of 10. So a little bit controversial there, not 100% happy with that. Copy paste this Gemini prompt to double your YouTube click-through rate. I like the copy this. That's trending a little bit more, so maybe not copy paste. Copy this Gemini prompt. Might work a bit better. And this is where your skills of understanding what's currently working in your niche is going to help make your titles better. So you can't just use everything that this prompt is going to give you. The high click-through rates Gemini formula. So these are authority style titles. Scale your coaching channel with AI. Interesting. How to outclick your competitors. The advanced Gemini prompting masterclass. And when you see the title that you clicked on for this video, I want you to let us know. When did you recognize it? The only Gemini prompt you'll ever need for high retention YouTube titles. Interesting. The contrarian style. My kind of vibe. Why your YouTube titles are failing and how Gemini fixes them interesting. Instantly not interesting. Have you guys seen that somewhere? Stop writing SEO titles, use Gemini to hack the YouTube. No, we don't want to use that, because sometimes in the start of your YouTube journey it's nice to focus on search and use those SEO titles. You guys know who you are. Great opportunities there. Forget ChatGPT. I like that. I think we should all just forget ChatGPT. Why Gemini is the new king of YouTube title strategy. Actually, if you still use ChatGPT, let me know. I want to know if you guys are still using ChatGPT. Probably shouldn't be. Why Gemini is the new king of YouTube title strategy. Yes, Gemini is the new king, because we're going to use our new 3-stage title prompting. The ROI-driven wildcard. Oh, I like a wildcard. From 0 to 100,000 views, the ROI-driven Gemini prompt for coaches. Why? This title connects the technical act of prompting directly to a massive growth metric. It appeals to the work smarter. Are you a work smarter kind of guy? Mentality by framing AI prompting as a high leverage business activity. I like high leverage. It sounds quite smart. And for those of you that stuck around, Gemini has kindly gifted you with another pro tip. These titles are built to drive the click, but the why behind them ensures that you are attracting the right kind of viewer. Someone looking for professional systems, not just a casual hobbyist. Which one of these styles, shortcut, authority, or contrarian, best aligns with your current personal brand energy? Which one works for you? I wonder which one we chose for this specific video. If you guys enjoyed this new style of video and you want to see more of what we are doing in Gemini, to write YouTube titles, to write our YouTube scripts, to write YouTube hooks, to come up with all the tags that you need for your videos, to write your YouTube descriptions, anything and everything Gemini for YouTube. Is that something you guys are interested in? Let me know, because we've probably already made another video on Gemini that's going to solve your next problem and save you time and save you money and keep putting you first. So if you want to watch our next Gemini video, you can click it right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next Gemini video.